Selecting patterns. Turn the power switch on. The visual touchscreen will show straight stitch of the utilities stitches. The following items appear on the display. Sewing categories. Pattern selection keys. Sewing pattern. Recommended presser foot. Adjust keys. Function keys. In the ordinary sewing mode, there are 6 categories available. Utilities stitches, buttonholes and specialty stitches, decorative and quilting stitches, monogramming, tapering, sewing applications, let's select the satin group stitch pattern number 4 in the decorative and quilting stitches category. The satin stitch pattern number 4 is selected. Manual stitch settings. You can alter the stitch length and stitch width as you select the pattern you desire. Press the Adjust key to expand the manual setting window. To change a setting, press the plus or minus key beside the setting you wish to change. You can change the following: stitch width, stitch length, elongation ratio, thread tension, foot pressure. Press the default key to return the settings to the default values. For straight stitches, you can move the needle drop position by pressing the plus or minus key. Press the plus key to move the needle drop position to the right. Press the minus key to move the needle drop position to the left. Stitch length and width can be changed with the stitch length adjusting dial and stitch width adjusting dial. Turn the stitch width adjusting dial to adjust the stitch width. Turn the stitch length adjusting dial to adjust the stitch length.